Hello and welcome to the 10th tutorial in the Swift Basic series, and in this part we're going to be looking at the for in loop. If you watched our previous tutorial on for loop, you'll know that loops are useful for repeating code. The example will be very similar, but you'll be able to see how the for in loop for certain circumstances, especially the one that we demonstrated in the previous tutorial, it can be more useful for. So let's just open up our project. So we're just going to quickly create an array, call it high score, equal to 100, 87, 34, 5 and 0. So we use 0 there. And then another for loop, what you can do is score in high score. This variable score here is just a little temporary variable. You can name this whatever you want, but obviously this here has to be the array that you're trying to loop through. And what this will do is it will automatically create the iterators and whatnot, and every time it loops it will assign the value at index 0 to score, then index 1 to score, then index 2 to score, index 3 to score, and index 4 to score, and also on depending on how long it is. So you can simply do print ln. If we just print out the score like this and we run it, it has all the scores printed out. We don't have to do any iterators ourselves, which is really cool. One thing you've got to notice, if I try and put brackets around here and run it, it fails. You can't have brackets. You need to just have it without brackets, which is weird. Don't know why, because the for loop allowed you to, and so do the other loops, but you can't. Just one of those things, I guess. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystem.co.uk. The email will be in the description. You can comment on this video or directly message us via YouTube. Then in the next tutorial, we're going to look at the while loop. All the required links for the source code will also be in the description. And as usual, thanks for watching and have a nice day.